So I hope you like these designs. If you want more such designs, then please do comment me in the comment section below. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up and share this video with your friends. And if you want more such videos, then please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear update.